शादी?
Marriage.
I don't believe in marriage.
Marriage is scary.
I'm an independent woman. I don't need marriage.
Honestly, alimony scares me.
What if I choose the wrong person? Too much responsibility, yaar. Situationships are easier.
There are too many reasons to avoid marriage, but what are we actually afraid of?
Fun है not but.
We're the first generation in history with unlimited choice. And with the first generation deeply uncomfortable with permanence. We swipe, we compare, we upgrade, and then we wonder why nothing feels stable.
What scares you most about marriages?
The word marriage.
यही चीज से लगता है कि वो नाराज नहीं होगी,
अच्छा.
हमेशा खुश रहे.
अगर विश्वास ही नहीं हो तो मैरिज ना टिक सकती है.
Like if you marry somebody and then years later or months later you find out like they're a completely different person.
Because things change, commitments change, and priorities do change.
Okay, so which one feels safer? Situationship or marriage?
Marriage. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, marriage definitely. Why would anyone want a situationship?
रिलेशनशिप ज्यादा नहीं चलेगा ना, वो एक दिन दो दिन चलेगा, लेकिन उसके बाद लाइफ टाइम चलना बोले तो मैरिज.
In 1960, the global average woman had about 5 children. Today, that number is around 2.3. 2.1 is the number required to maintain population stability. South Korea now has one of the lowest birth rates in human history. Japan is one of the most rapidly aging societies in the world. Even China, once limiting births, is now encouraging families to have more children. India has reached near replacement levels. We say we want depth, but depth requires elimination. You cannot build something while preserving every other alternative. Commitment is not emotional, it's architectural. It removes exits. And that terrifies a generation trained to keep doors open.
Do you think people take relationships seriously anymore?
चलाने वाला सही चाहिए, शादियां क्यों नहीं चलेंगी?
The real question isn't, do I need someone? It's, am I open to building with someone?
Okay, so would you marry if divorce wasn't a taboo?
No problem. No problem. I've seen my friends getting married, divorced girls or divorced boys, and they're doing it really well. That is not the fault of the person who is divorced.
I had been married before. I had been divorced and he had been gracious enough to accept me. So I don't think divorce is a taboo anymore.
She didn't change her independence. She just didn't want to be independent alone.
Who is your default person?
I don't want almost. I don't want let's see. I don't want closeness without clarity or intensity without intention. We think we are avoiding marriage. We are not. We are avoiding being responsible for one decision. Because once you choose one person, you can't blame the algorithm, you can't blame timing, you can't blame wrong choice. You only have one place left to look: yourself. So maybe marriage isn't scary, maybe accountability is. And the generation that runs from accountability will call permanence outdated.